For the purpose of this demo, I am logging into the network of a real mobility work client. The newsfeed displays in real time the latest equipment created, repairs, intervention requests, documents, etc. With traditional CMMS software, technicians usually perform interventions at 8 a.m. and have to wait until the end of the day to fill in that Excel or SAP file. Thanks to mobility work, if a technician starts a task at 8 a.m., he can use his phone and the voice command to enter the information. Once saved, the task will directly appear on the network's newsfeed. It is inevitably better to make decisions as soon as you know about this type of information as at the end of the day. Thanks to the newsfeed, the information is more qualitative and is displayed in real time. You can also quickly view the coming, scheduled or overdue tasks for a particular user in this insert.